Hi, I just want to say, if you guys see this video, can you at least like, comment, maybe, no, not subscribe, but I'm seeing all these other YouTubers getting all these likes, 1,000, 1K, they're using sounds that says, can you guys please like. I never get more than 1 like, and they usually get like 2K, and I get like none unless it's for me buying stuff, and that's all. I just see these other ones going. I want to tell you guys, ask y'all, yeah, nothing much. Thank you though. If you do, have a great day.